Hi guys, I just wanted to make this quick video about how to use Letterstream because I know many people don't know about it. You can mail your letters using this app, and what you are going to do when you have your account already set up, you go to My Account, Billing Information, and you're gonna put here a minimum of $20. Then continue to payment, you pay, and your balance will be right here. So you can start using it. I mean, it's gonna ask you to pay if you already have your job, but I prefer doing it from the beginning. I go to billing and I set up the payment. Then I go to products. I go to letters, creating your mailing now. This is the standard one. Get started. Then I click here again, get started, and then I select here send letters. I'm going to add. Imagine that I already have all my clients' information, all the addresses. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to bulk import all those addresses. So what you need to do is you need to export all your clients' information. You know that there is export button from your credit repair software on your credit repair software. So what you're gonna do is export that information, save it on your computer in CSV format. Then you're gonna come here. You are going to put the job name. Let's do a test. You can put, for example, Elena September, and click on address list. Choose the CSV file. Let's choose. I save it right here. You're gonna click on continue, and then you're gonna match this and this. First name would be Elena. Last name Diaz. And email, you don't need the email for this, but let me see if it's available. You don't really need it, you just need the addresses. So, and this is a test. So this here would be the address, the city, the state is right there, the zip code, and there you have it. You don't need any more data. Then you're gonna click on add recipients to address book. Continue. You're gonna enter your return address. You're gonna continue to job. And then what you can do is you go back. Let's go back and go to address book. And you are going to see the one that we created. You can see the address right there with the person. You can edit that right here. If you want to add it to another group, you can do it. Let me leave it like this. Then you already have that. Imagine that you already have all your clients' information right there. Go back to products. Click on get started again. I just wanted to show you that you can just bulk import all your addresses. Then you click on send letters. Now I'm gonna send the letters. Imagine that is Elena Diaz September disputes. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the document that I'm going to be sending. Let's see. Let's do. Let me see. Let's do this letter. I don't need to, if you want to do the first class certified mail return receipt, you can select it, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna hit continue. And then what you're going to do is you are going to put this box on your right if you have the destination address on your right. And what you are going to do next is you are going to select, this will tell you all the pages that they are counting. Select 12 pages per recipient. Here, if you want to do the black and white or color, you can select it, then click continue. It's gonna give you this alert, and click on OK. And then you are going to select the return address, which is the one on the left, unless you have it different. You select your client's name and address, which mine is on the left. And then I'm going to do the same. I'm going to check that everything is okay. It also gives you an alternate return address. You can use it, but I don't need to use it because I need to use my client's information. I'm gonna hit continue. And then it's gonna tell you that you need to pay for 2 extra ounces, which is gonna be an additional payment. And then it's gonna have all the letters right there. I mean all the pages. Click on continue to recipe and review. As you can see now, now you have the destination, the address, which is from Experian. In this case, I already have that address on file, but it also reads it from the file that you uploaded. And then you are going to hit continue. You are going to hit acknowledge. I acknowledge. Continue to payment. And then it's gonna tell you how much it's going to charge to credit card. If you don't have a balance, it will take you to pay, but if you have, it will charge you. You can add another job. If you have several letters that you want to send, you can just click on that and keep adding jobs. And then let me go back. You will see a lot of jobs right here and the amount that they are going to charge. So I'm not gonna complete this because this was a test, but let me go back. You can see my jobs here. If you go to my jobs, you can see Elena September disputes, which is asking for payment required. If it's on the top, it means that you need to take action. It's not; those are not have not been sent. And if you want to delete them, you can click on edit, delete job, and delete them. Those are tests that I made. If you can see down here all the jobs, mailing complete. You can see when it was paid. If you open here, you can see if you open here, you can see the bill. And if you click on here, you can see the job information. You can see the proof. How is the document? How does the document look like? And there you have it. Letterstream. Very easy. You can do certified mail if you want. Widow or certified flat. Whatever you prefer. I hope you find this video interesting and I hope it helps you. Thank you. I hope this helps you. Thank you.